Hey everyone, welcome back to Maditechs. If your iPhone hotspot isn't working, isn't showing up in settings, or other devices simply won't connect, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how to turn on iPhone hotspot, how to set it up properly, and how to fix the most common hotspot issues step by step, clearly and without confusion. Before we get into fixes, it's important to understand one thing. What exactly is iPhone Personal Hotspot and how does it work? Personal Hotspot allows your iPhone to share its mobile internet connection with other devices such as laptops, tablets, or Android phones. However, hotspot functionality depends on three key factors: your carrier, your mobile data plan, and your iOS settings. Let's start with the basics. How do you turn on hotspot on an iPhone? Open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and enable Allow Others to join. If you can see this option, your hotspot is active and ready to use. At this stage, many users wonder which hotspot settings actually affect performance and connectivity. First, confirm that mobile data is turned on. Next, keep the Personal Hotspot screen open while connecting another device, and make sure the Wi-Fi password shown here is entered correctly. One of the most common issues is when the hotspot option doesn't appear at all. Why does Personal Hotspot sometimes disappear from settings? In most cases, this happens because the mobile plan does not include hotspot access, the carrier restricts hotspot usage, or iOS has not refreshed carrier settings properly. Restarting your iPhone and checking carrier support often resolves this immediately. Some users can turn hotspot on but nothing connects. Why does hotspot stay enabled but fail to work? This is usually caused by temporary network conflicts. Try the following: turn airplane mode on, then off, restart your iPhone, and install the latest iOS update if available. These steps solve the majority of hotspot connection problems. A frequent concern is compatibility. Can Android devices connect to iPhone hotspot? Yes, but sometimes Android requires an extra attempt. Open Wi-Fi settings on the Android device. Select your iPhone, enter the password, and if the connection fails, forget the network and reconnect. So how should a laptop connect to iPhone hotspot? Laptop connections work in a similar way. Simply select your iPhone's network from Wi-Fi settings. If the connection doesn't establish, restart both devices and try again. A very important point to clarify is cost. Does using iPhone hotspot require an extra payment? The answer depends entirely on your carrier and mobile plan. Some plans include hotspot access automatically, while others require an add-on. Before reaching out to your carrier, make sure mobile data is active, Personal Hotspot is enabled, iOS is up to date, and finally your plan supports hotspot usage. This checklist resolves most cases without further support. If this guide helped you fix your hotspot issue, consider giving it a like. And for more clear, practical iPhone tutorials, subscribe to Maditechs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.